Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing my eyebrows on camera. And when I say doing my eyebrows on camera, I mean waxing my eyebrows on camera, which is a little nerve-wracking, but here we are. I'm just going to show you like my process of what I do, and I hope this helps whoever wants to or needs a little bit of help on knowing how to wax their eyebrows. So with that being said, let's get started. What you're gonna need is a mirror. I like using this Eclipse Glamour mirror, which my sister-in-law gave to me because it's very big and it lets me see everything very clear. Some micellar water. I like these skinny long ones because they fit exactly where I'm gonna be putting the wax on my eyebrow. So I like these for the face. Some cotton rounds, and of course, wax. And I have this wax inside the wax warmer because I prefer using hard wax. I do not like using the little strips. I've gotten really bad rashes with those. So hard wax it is for me. Now I'm going to go ahead and get a cotton round. I'm going to get some micellar water. I'm going to add some in here. And then I'm just going to wipe my eyebrows and around my eyebrow section. So all of this. This pad just to try and get like the oils off my face. So my wax is ready. Do not let your wax get super hot because you will burn yourself, you will burn your skin, and it will be horrible and it'll peel. It's just, I've been there, don't do it. So this again is how I do my eyebrows. You guys don't have to follow it. You just can watch this video and see what I do. Kind of get the idea of how you would wax your eyebrows if you would like to do it or try it. Again, I'm just showing you my way. If you guys want to do it, go ahead and do it. Do your thing, but this is my way. My wax is ready. All I'm going to do is get my mirror. I'm probably going to have it like right here, guys, because I have to focus on it. I'm going to see if I can put you guys a little bit closer. Oh gosh, I don't like this. You will see my pores, guys. So I get a little bit of the hard wax. First thing I like to do is mix it, guys. Also, I've had very bad experiences with other people doing my eyebrows, so I do not like people touching my eyebrows. Not unless I know that you're specialized in doing that. It was horrible. My eyebrows are already really thin. I've been doing them since I was around 12 years old that I started modeling. And the place that I went to was a nail salon, and they did wax on the side on a little room. So I was like, okay, let's get it waxed, and they messed them up. They were very, very thin. I started using a treatment that I do at home to make them grow, which I was able to get like this thickness here because it was literally like a Sharpie eyebrow. It was horrible. So slowly but surely I grew some of them out, and I'm still growing some out. So if you see these right here, I don't know if it's gonna focus, I have many of them here, and it's because I do not want to wax like this inside part here because I want those to grow, to keep growing. Get some wax on my stick, but not a lot like that. So I like being very careful with this wax, and you guys might be like, oh no, it's way high, but it's not for me. Because if you guys can see, like I have those big hairs and I don't really want to mess up my shape. I'll show you guys what I do after, so just bear with me. So all you have to do is make sure that it gets a little bit tacky. So it's gonna be like that. Then you're gonna grab a corner and peel it off. I don't know if you guys can see that. See all those little hairs? All those are little hairs. And I like doing this and then just throwing it away. Look at that. You see? Again, go slow when you're doing this, guys. Don't ever rush it because you will mess them up. And once you mess them up, it will take a long time to grow them out, even if you use like little treatments, like the one I have done at the house. Like the treatment I've done for myself, it's helping, but it has also taken a long time for me to get the results I've been wanting. So that's why I'm like, oh, hear my warning. If you need to go somewhere, get your eyebrows done, make sure you go to a professional. Let me peel out. You see how it's not done yet? It's like sticking. So all I'm doing, still a little bit tacky, but let's see if it pulls. It's pulling. Can you guys see all those little hairs? That's all hairs, guys. You see? Ooh. The middle. You. If you have excess, you can just go in there like I just did and it takes off the rest. I will show you. You get this again. Stick it there. Pull it up a little bit from that corner and then yank it. There's a lot of little hairs there. Do this here. To the other side. So this wax is specifically for my face. There are other ones specifically for the bikini area and all over body hair. So after I finish waxing my eyebrows or my face and applying pressure to it and putting like a cold compress, I like going in with a new pad and micellar water, just a tad bit, and just cleaning the area. I like cleaning the area after, just like I did before. So that's it, guys. There's no big trick to it. It's just that I like doing that, and then at the end I can get like my eyebrow brush, and I like doing it a little bit up and cutting the excess of the hairs so they won't be too big or too sparse. But sometimes I just like leaving them like that even if they are too big, because it gives it a little bit more of a fuller look. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short little waxing video with me. Please like this video if you like it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like this one. And if you have subscribed, thank you so much. And I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time, bye guys.